What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new Too Faced Teddy Bear Eyeshadow Palette. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the new Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Become a part of my beauty YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, for the month of April, we are supporting Colo Outreach, so check the link in the description box for more information and donate if you can. So this is the Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. It is a lot smaller in comparison to some of their other palettes. So this is their full-size palette, and then this is the teddy bear palette. You can see there is a big difference, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a golden ticket. That's what it makes me think of, or like a chocolate bar. It's very small and compact. Cute little teddy bear right here. It has the names of the eyeshadows on the back, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. It has these beautiful warm tone shades and a mirror. Of course, it's very dirty because I just used it. There are 14 shades that range from shimmer to matte, and you can see that this shade right here is embossed with the Too Faced logo, and this one has the teddy bear face on it. They also used a new marbling technique in two of their shades. This one is more noticeable, so I'll just point out that one to you so you can kind of see. This is the pan size for their normal eyeshadow palette, and then this is the pan size for the teddy bear palette. They look significantly smaller. And just in case you're looking for it in store, this is what the outer packaging looks like. Some people like the teddy bear theme, some people don't. It's just your personal preference. I think it's cute, but if I could do without it at the same time. They do have a smell to them, and I think it's just a makeup-y smell. It retails for $45, and I actually purchased mine from Macy's. Now, I wasn't sure if I was even gonna get this palette or not because it looks very similar to some other palettes, and so I will be showing you some comparisons in just a moment. So, let's get into the swatches. Oh no, I kind of went over that one a little bit, sorry. So all of those swatch really beautiful. They're very warm tone. The only problem I have is these gold shades look almost exactly the same. And I'm like, really, Too Faced? You couldn't have come up with a different shade? I'll swatch them right next to each other so you can see how very similar they are. They're pretty, but they're the same. Like, where's the variety here? Come on. I mean, the swatches are absolutely gorgeous. I have no complaints with the quality of the eyeshadows so far. They are very buttery and smooth and pigmented, and I mean, the proof's in the pudding right there. You can see they look beautiful. There we go. Now let's get into some comparison swatches. When I looked at it online, it looked exactly like the Tartlette Juicy palette. I actually have a video review of this palette, so I will place the link down below for you to check that out if you haven't seen it. So I went through and swatched the shades that look the most similar in the Tarte palette. So the Tarte is on the top and the Too Faced is on the bottom. So you can see the shades that look the most similar. So if you like a lighter, paler, more natural looking vibe with more pink options, then definitely check out the Tarte palette. But if you like deeper, more warm tone shades, then the Too Faced is gonna be your pick. Let's show some comparisons from the Too Faced Natural Nude palette. I also have a review on this one as well if you wanna check that out. So we have the Too Faced Teddy Bear on top and the Too Faced Natural Nudes on the bottom. So the neutral shades do look very similar. The Natural Nudes palette does have more product, and it also has more shimmer tone options. This one has 8 shimmers. This one only has 4. So I'd say this Natural Nudes is probably more similar to the Tartlette palette than teddy bear. If you like a little more cool tone vibe, then you would go with the natural nudes, but if you like those warm tones, then you would really like this one. Now last but not least, I'm going to compare the teddy bear to the Huda palette. There's the swatches, this is the Huda, this is the Too Faced, and you can see how very, very similar they look to each other. They almost dupe each other exactly. If you already have the Huda and you love it, then you probably don't need this one. However, this one has more shade options, so it may be easier to get a look with the Too Faced than with the Huda since it is limited in the shades. So there you have it with the comparison swatches. Now let's get into the tutorial and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Starting out with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm going to use this to prime the eye. For the eyeshadow, it makes it more vibrant and last longer without creasing. Then taking the palette, I'm going in with the lightest transition shade. I'm just going to highlight the brow bone and bring that all the way to the front of the eye. Then I'm taking the transition shade called The Snuggle Is Real and run that through the crease. Next, we're taking the shade called Stuffed and using that to really deepen the middle of the crease. Then I'm taking this beautiful coral shade and adding that to the top of the crease to bring some of that warmth and color to the look. Then we're going to go in with this shade, which is called Fuzzy Wuzzy. Gonna deepen the outer corner of the crease with that shade. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion and cutting the crease just slightly. And I'm going to use my finger to apply Press Pause, this beautiful bronzy shade. It has a little bit of a purple undertone with silver glitter. Then I'm going to apply the same top shades on the bottom lash line. Next, we are applying the eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner from Benefit called Roller Liner. It is a matte black. Then I'm taking the Ultimate Eyeliner pencil from LA Girl and I'm going to apply that to the top and bottom waterline. Lining the waterline with the black really gives it a sultry vibe. Then I'm going to curl the lashes and apply some mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara and I really love how it lifts the lashes. Then I'm going to apply some falsies using the Eyelure Opulent style. These are my faves and there is the look. I absolutely love how it turned out. This shade is probably my favorite shade, the one I used on the lid. It's very unique. So let's get into my final thoughts. Let's start with the pros. First of all, I love this formula. They are so soft and smooth and pigmented. I love the formula in this palette. I love warm tone shades and I love the fact that they make the transition shades just a little bit bigger because those are the shades you're going to use probably the most. However, I like the highlight shade and I can tell I'm going to go through that fast. So I kind of wish they would have made that one a little bit bigger instead of this one. I really like the size and they did give you a little bit of a break on the price. I like that you have enough options as well to do different looks. This one is such good quality. It's so pretty. And if you love the warm tone neutrals, this is the palette for you, especially if you like something small and compact. This is great. So I really don't have any gripes with this palette other than what I already mentioned, that those two gold shades right there, again, I'll do another couple swatches for you. They look exactly the same. Like, what are you doing? Give me another color. So that was my only gripe. So I have to say, at first I was not sure about this palette at all. I was like, oh no, it looks just like some of my other palettes, but to tell you the truth, I think I love this one better than all of them. This one I think is going to be my new favorite. I love warm neutral palettes. What can I say? So there you have it. Those are my thoughts. It gets a thumbs up from me, but I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you going to buy it? Are you going to pass? Let me know down below. So that's all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button down below and become a part of my beauty YouTube family. Also, for the month of April, we are supporting Kahlo Outreach, so check the description box and click that link so you can learn more about the program and donate if you can. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!